Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design a notebook in Canva. Some people use free template that Canva provides, while others can use Canva Pro template for more advanced design. And there's a group of people who prefer to create their own designs from scratch. Now let's design the cover page. Now I am choosing the customized size. You need in inches and width 8.5 and height 11. This is the perfect size for notebook cover. You can use shapes, textures or your favorite colors. I am going with a minimal style using watercolor flower background. So there are many options, you can choose your one. So I choose purple flower background. You can customize the color to make your own. Let's duplicate this image to maintaining this pattern. Next, add your title like my daily journal or study notes or notebook. Make sure to use a clean, readable font and align everything neatly. As you can see, I choose this font for my title. You can customize this font you want, and I like to use this groom font in my title. From groom to notebook, place this in the middle of this shape. Now I am choosing the perfect notebook color by my own. You can also customize your own color of notebook. So on the side, let's create an elastic band to secure the pages of this notebook. Now choose the right color of this rubber band. And that's our cover. Simple yet elegant. Now let's move on the next page. Duplicate the title text and move it into the next page. Rename the text into notes. Again duplicate this and rename it into the date and place it well. Next we have to find a line and make a measure of this line. Place it under the date. Duplicate this line and adding soft line to make it look like a real notebook page. Duplicate this line as far as you need. Once your layout is ready, just duplicate the page as many times as you want. This helps to create multiple pages with the same design. Where When you are done, click on download. Choose PDF for best quality. And that's it. You just made your own custom notebook in Canva, ready to print or sell online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Canva and design related videos. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one.